Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku, in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles remain: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 847. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. Yeah, Four Star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 4 threes. All right. 4 threes. How about the fours? 4 fours. All right. How about the fives? 1, 2, 3 fives. 2 sixes, 1 7, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the threes and the fours are in majority. Can I start with the 3? Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 3 3. 3 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about the fours? 4 4 4 4 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left of the 4, a should be there. And we have a pair, the 3 and the 4 in the third row, the 3 and the 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left of the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And now I can, let me go back to the, nope, let me continue with 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, not only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4, it should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4, it should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. How about the 3 then? Yeah. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in this middle row, the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Yeah. Because in this box, the middle row, here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. And here can be 3. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. Well, we see another 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Another 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 3. Let me check for another number. 5 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, first column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So we have a 5 in this second row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, no, only 2 places left with 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. 5, 5, need a 5 here. Oh, need a 5 here, of course. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. Oh, well. Okay, let me continue. 7, 9, 5. I need one number here. Two. Need a 1 here, and then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. For number, I believe the 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Alright, and now 2. Need a 9 here. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 7, 8. No. Yeah. 6, 6. Need a 7 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 8. Let me think. 8 and the 7, 8 and the 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. Well, we need a 7 here. Here can be 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the only place left with 7 in the second column should be here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 6. We have 1 now in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1, 1. Need an 8 there. 8, 8. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have a 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And we have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left and 8 in this big square should be there. We have a pair, the 1 and 8 in the first row, the 1 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Okay. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. And now 7. Let me see. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2, 5, and 9 is missing here. Well. Well. 1, 1. Come on. 3, 3. Okay. How about it? 8. 8 should be here. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this column. No 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Alright, 9, 9. Okay. 9, 9. Well, here should be also a 9. Here should be a 9. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are missing here. Okay. 1, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row, no one in those 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and 8, we have 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. 8, 8. Okay. Let me think. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 1 number left in this middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 2, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left, the 2 should be there. Then 2, 2. Okay. Yeah. I know. 2, 2, 2, 2. How about a 5? We have a pair. The 2 and a 5 in this column. The 2 and a 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left the 2 should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 it should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 7 now. In this middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finishing 15 minutes again. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solver by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.